Hi, it's Michael Hankerson with Hankerson Team Luxury Division. Welcome to the tour of this beautiful home. Offered at $13,488,000, this home features 7 beds, 8 baths, 9,550 feet of livable space on 1.1 acres of land. And for more luxury home tours, please check out the playlist above. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or have any questions about the luxury home market in Arizona, just click on the link below or feel free to call or text me at 602-770-7205. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.